Yung concept po ng sayaw namin is about three college friends na magmi-meet ulit sa present and makikita po sa performance namin how they reminisce the past habang nagko-cross po yung paths nila. When it comes po sa preparation, we started po about 2 weeks ago and naantala lang dahil sa bagyo but our participants showed their commitment and nag-show up po sila sa mga scheduled practices to make the performance better po. My message to the Saya community is let us support the performance of our team on Thursday and ipakita natin kung ano ang